को घुमाएं. Are you seeing how much your body has changed in 13 days? How much your mind has changed in 13 days? Reverse, विपरीत दिशा. अब देखिए अपना शरीर कितना बदल गया है 13 दिन में. मन भी बदल गया है, सही है ना? इसलिए हमको रोज योग करना पड़ेगा. That's why we should practice yoga every day. Because very good for body and mind. And it's very easy also. And pump your shoulders up and down. And now interlock your fingers. हाथ को जोड़िए. Now let's rotate the wrists in the form of infinity or number 8. हथेली को घुमाएं. नंबर 8 जैसा. Now reverse the direction. That's very good for the brain stimulation also. And shake your hand, shake your hand. Shake the whole body. Now let's sit down. आराम से बैठ जाएं. Now let's bring the soles of the feet together in Baddha Konasana. दोनों पाँव को साथ साथ जोड़िए. And bring the legs close to the body. And slowly start flapping the knees up and down. घुटनों को ऊपर नीचे करिए. Up, down, up, down. And relax. Now we'll do the Hindolasana, baby cradle pose. Lift your right leg up. Wrap your arms around your legs. पैर को पकड़िए हाथ से. Now lift your leg up all the way. Back straight. Back को सीधा रखिए. Bring the leg close to you and let's sway left and right. Now it's very important to do this because the first asana in the Padmasana is sitting. We'll be doing it sitting in Padmasana, the Padma Sadhana. Right? So this will help to open the hip joint. Left, right, the lotus pose. Left, right, left, right. पद्मासन में बैठने के लिए बहुत मदद करता है ये preparation. And come down. And the other leg. Left, right, left, right. Closer, closer, closer. And gently come down. Now, one last movement. Stretch your legs to the front. Let's move the feet in and out. पाँव को अंदर बाहर घुमाएं. Keep pulling them in, out, अंदर बाहर. Along with the breath. And slowly start rotating your feet. And reverse. And bang your toes. And relax. Now let's sit comfortably. Now we'll begin with the Padma Sadhana. There are 12 poses. Now first pose you can sit in Padmasana or half Padmasana or Sukhasana. Whatever is comfortable. Now if you have any issue with the knees, you can sit on a hard bed also and do this. Is it okay? Yes. घुटनों के साथ कुछ इश्यू है आप हार्ड बेड के ऊपर बैठ के करिए. Now for Padmasana, pull one foot, either the right or the left, to the opposite hip joint, and the other leg is slowly pulled on top, like the lotus pose. I can bring the legs closer. If you're not able to sit like this, it's completely fine. Sit normally. All right. Now we'll chant Om 3 times and begin with the asanas. If you have any doubt, you can open your eyes, look at us and do along. Anyway, I'll be giving instruction. अगर कुछ doubt है आप हमको देख के कर सकते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin. We'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Let's get ready for the body rotations. Breathe in, go back. And breathe out, bend forward. सांस छोड़िए, आगे झुकिए. And slowly start rotating your body from the right side. Breathe in, come up from the right side. Breathe out, go down from the left side. सांस लेते लेते दाहिने ओर से ऊपर आ जाएं और छोड़ते छोड़ते बाएं ओर से नीचे. Continue. Slow movements from the hips. धीरे धीरे करिए. बड़ा सर्कल बनाएं. Make big circle. And as you come down, change the direction. नीचे आते हुए विपरीत दिशा. Keep your mind inwards. मन को अंतर्मुखी रखिए. And slowly come up and gently lie down on your stomach. Stretch your legs out. पेट की बल लेट जाएं. Hands next to the body. Now we'll do the Shalabhasana. Inhale, lift the right leg up from the hip joint. Exhale, straighten the right knee, stretch the leg out. दाएं पैर को कमर से ऊपर उठाएं और पैर को सीधा करिए. Rest of the body is totally relaxed. In every pose we will breathe 5 long breaths. 5 सांस एक एक आसन में रुक के लेके छोड़ेंगे. Now change the leg. Left leg up. बाएं पैर ऊपर. And down. Now make a fist with both the hands. दोनों हाथ से मुट्ठी बनाएं और जंघा के नीचे रखिए. Place them under the thighs. Inhale. Lift both your legs up from the hip joint. Exhale. Straighten the knees. दोनों पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. घुटनों को सीधा रखिए. Feel the entire back of the body getting strengthened. Lower back, buttocks, legs. And bring the leg down. Now place your palms under your shoulders. Let's get ready for the Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up and navel up. Bhujangasana में ऊपर आ जाएं. Exhale, stay here. Keep the shoulders pulled down, elbows close to the body. कोहनी को शरीर के पास रखिए. And look up, ऊपर देखिए. नाभि जमीन से सिर्फ 1 इंच ऊपर. Navel is just 1 inch off the mat. Exhale, slowly go down and stretch your hands to the front. हाथ को आगे करिए. We'll do the Superman, Superwoman or Super Yogi pose. Inhale, lift your whole body up. श्वास लेते लेते शरीर को ऊपर करिए. Exhale, stretch your legs out. शरीर को लंबा करिए. Hands out. Keep breathing. Keep lengthening the body. And slowly come down. Now bend both your knees and grab your ankles. एड़ी को पकड़िए. If you're not able to grab your ankles, you can simply follow Isha for the easy version. We'll do the Dhanurasana. Breathe in, lift your chest and thighs off the mat and breathe out. Move your legs to the back, away from the body. Dhanurasana में ऊपर आ जाएं. और पैर को पीछे खींचिए। स्माइल, रिलैक्स इन द पोज, आसन में विश्राम। And slowly come down. Rest for a moment. And slowly roll over to your back. पीछे की ओर मोड़िए। Stretch your hands over the head. हाथ को ऊपर करिए। We'll do the नौकासन, boat pose. श्वास अंदर और बाहर, बाहर छोड़ते छोड़ते पूरा शरीर को ऊपर उठाएं। Exhale, bring your hands to the front, lift your whole body up and hold this pose, back straight. Keep breathing. The entire Padmasana is done like a dance. We flow from one asana into another. एक नृत्य जैसा, एक आसन से दूसरा आसन। And slowly come down. पवन मुक्तासन with the right leg. दाएं घुटनों को मोड़िए, हाथ से पकड़िए। Pull the right leg, right thigh into the tummy, nose to the knee. Keep breathing. Make a gentle effort to keep the other knee straight. If you have any issue with the neck, you can keep your head down. You don't have to lift the head up. नीचे भी रख सकते हैं सिर को. And change the leg, the other leg, left leg. दूसरा पैर. And let go. Both the legs. दोनों पैर. Nose in between the knees. Feel the compression in the abdominal region. Keep your lower back down on the floor. And gently start rocking the body front and back, giving your back a nice massage. अच्छा से शरीर को रगड़िए आगे पीछे. And left and right. दाएं बाएं. Now we'll do the Sarvangasana. Women in their monthly cycles may avoid this asana or simply do the Setubandhasana following Isha. सर्वांगासन करेंगे. सिंपल वर्जन के लिए ईशा को फॉलो करें. Breathe in. Roll your knees towards your face. Lift your hips up and hold your back with your hands. पैर को ऊपर उठाएं, कमर के पीछे हाथ रखें. Inhale, gently lift your legs up, straight. श्वास लेते लेते पैर को ऊपर सीधा करिए. Keep breathing. श्वास को रुकिए मत. And slowly and gently bring your legs down and stretch your legs out. पैर को नीचे करिए. Stretch your hands to the sides. Now we'll do the Natarajasana. Right foot on the left knee and gently pull your right knee down to the left side with your left hand. दाएं पांव को बाएं घुटनों के ऊपर रखिए और दाएं घुटनों को बाएं और नीचे कीजिए. Look to your right. Make sure your right shoulder is resting on the floor. It's okay if your knee does not touch the floor. Keep your left knee straight. दूसरा घुटना का सीधा रखिए. दाएं कंधों को जमीन पर रखिए. Keep twisting. Natarajasana. And roll back to the center. Change the side. Viparit Disha. And slowly come back to the center. And roll over to the right side and sit up. दाहिने ओर मोड़ के उठकर बैठ जाएं. पैर को सीधा रखिए. Keep your legs stretched out. Now we'll do the Ardha Matsyendrasana. Cross your right leg over to the left side and bend your left knee. दाएं पैर को बाएं तरफ रखिए. बाएं घुटनों को मोड़िए. Right hand behind you. Left elbow on the outsides of the right knee. बाएं कोहनी को दाएं घुटनों की बाहर की तरफ रखिए. And grab your right foot and twist to the right side. Look behind you. If you're not able to grab the foot, you can keep your left hand up. Keep breathing. दूसरा पाँव को पकड़िए, हो सकता है. Every twist in the body massages all the organs inside the abdomen. पेट में अच्छा मसाज मिल रहा है. Relax with a smile. And let's change the side. Change the legs. And twist to the left side. बाएं और twist करिए. And come back to the center. Sit cross-legged or Ardha Padmasana, whatever is comfortable. We'll do the Parvatasana. आराम से बैठ जाएं. Take the hands up. Interlock the fingers and stretch up. हाथ को जोड़िए, ऊपर कीजिए. With every inhalation, stretch your arm up. And slowly bring your hands down. Let's do the Yoga Mudra. With the right hand, keep the Adi Mudra. Thumb inside and all the four fingers wrapped around. दाएं हाथ में आदि मुद्रा रखिए. We'll take the hands behind and with the left hand we'll hold the right wrist. हाथ को पीछे रखेंगे और दाएं हाथ को बाएं हाथ से पकड़ेंगे. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend forward and down. आगे और नीचे झुकिए. And slowly and gently come back up. धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ जाएं. हाथ को विश्राम करिए. मन को शांत होने दीजिए. Let your mind settle down. And you may slowly open your eyes. Now what we will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam and then do the chakra scanning technique meditation. Alright. So there are 7 chakras along our spine. So we will take our attention to different chakras and every chakra we keep our mind and we'll chant Om and feel the vibrations in that region. अभी हम नाडी शोधन प्राणायाम करके चक्र ध्यान करेंगे. हमारा मन को एक एक चक्र 7 चक्र हैं, एक एक चक्र में लेके आके उधर ओम चैंट करेंगे. Alright, you just follow my instructions, you will get it. आप सिर्फ मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन को फॉलो करिए, उतना काफ़ी है. Alright, it's a very short process but very effective. So stay till the end. बहुत इफेक्टिव है. And also tomorrow's session, there's a change in the timing. Tomorrow we will have only 2 sessions, 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. कल सिर्फ 2 ही सेशंस रहेगा लास्ट डे, सुबह 10 बजे और शाम को 6 बजे. उस सेशन में क्या होगा? On special request we will be having a face yoga session with Isha ji, and she will be sharing 5 techniques to improve your face texture, glow. कल बोनस सेशन में ईशा जी के साथ फेस योगा के लिए 5 टेक्निक्स ईशा जी सिखाएंगे आपके लिए, और उसके साथ हम बोनस सेशन रखेंगे, उसमें डाइट के बारे में बताएंगे, नींद क्वालिटी के बारे में, और कैसे इस जर्नी को मंडे से आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. So in the bonus session you're also learning about diet, sleep. I'll be giving you techniques. You can make a chart, you can write it down, which you can follow in your day-to-day activity, and I'll also tell you how to continue this practice from Monday onwards. So don't miss tomorrow's sessions. All right, shall we begin? Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Chin Mudra with your left hand. Keep it on the left knee. Chin Mudra rakhiye. Right hand on the nostril. Now in this we'll inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale back from the right and exhale from the left. All right, follow the instructions. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril, index middle finger in between the eyebrows. अंगुष्ठा दाएं नाक के ऊपर, तर्जनी मध्यमा भ्रुवों के बीच में, अनामिका और कनिष्ठिका बाएं नाक के ऊपर. Inhale from both the nostrils and exhale. Very slowly inhale from the left nostril. धीरे धीरे बाएं नाक से श्वास अंदर. दाएं से बाहर, exhale from the right. Keep your mind in between the eyebrows or on the breath. Breathe in back from the right. दाएं से अंदर. बाएं से बाहर, exhale from the left. Inhale from the left. बाएं से अंदर. दाएं से बाहर, exhale from the right. Inhale back from the right. दाएं से अंदर. बाएं से बाहर, exhale from the left. Breathe in from the left and continue on your own for 2 more rounds. अपने आप 2 और राउंड करिए. Mind fully on the breath. मन को श्वास के ऊपर रखिए. And you may relax after this round. Keep your eyes closed. If you wish to sit on a chair, you may sit on a chair. अगर चाहिए चेयर में बैठ सकते हैं आप. Now we'll do the chakra meditation. चक्रा ध्यान करेंगे. Shoulders relaxed, face relaxed, and a beautiful smile on your face. पूरा शरीर को ढीला छोड़िए, मुस्कान रखिए. Take a deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. As we take our mind to every chakra, we will keep our mind there for some time before we move on to the other chakra. मन को थोड़ा टिका के रखेंगे एक एक चक्र पे. Now take your attention to the base of the spine, the starting of the spine. ना मन को मूलाधार पर रखिए. The space in between your anus and genital, where the spine begins, and the body is touching the yoga mat. जहाँ अपना शरीर योगा मैट के साथ जुड़ रही है वहाँ. The first chakra, मूलाधार chakra. Keep your mind there and relax in that space. मन को मूलाधार पर रख के विश्राम करिए वहाँ. We will chant Om and feel the vibrations in that region. अभी हम ओम उच्चारण करेंगे. मन को वहीं ही रखिए. Keep your mind there. Breathe in. Vishram, relax. Now bring your attention 3 inches above the base of the spine, behind your genitals, to the second chakra, स्वादिष्ठान चक्र. मन को जननेंद्र के पीछे रखिए, दूसरा चक्रा के लिए. Breathe in, श्वास अंदर, Feel a sense of relaxation in the waist region. विश्राम महसूस करिए. Now bring your attention to the navel region. नाभि पर ध्यान लेके आए. To the third chakra, Manipura chakra. तीसरा चक्र. मन इधर उधर जाता है तो वापस नाभि पर लेके आइए उसको. If your mind goes here and there, bring it back to the navel region. Bind your mind to the navel region. Breathe in. Now bring your attention to the heart region. हृदय पर ध्यान को लेके आए. The fourth chakra, Anahata chakra. मन को यहाँ रखिए. Keep your mind here and relax. Breathe in. Now bring your attention to your throat region. The fifth chakra, विशुद्धि चक्र. गला पर ध्यान रखिए. Breathe in. Keep your mind on the throat and rest of the body totally relaxed. विश्राम करिए. Take your attention to in between the eyebrows. Sixth chakra, Agya chakra. मन को दोनों भ्रुओं के बीच में रखिए. Breathe in. Feel the grace and love showering on you this moment. हमारा ऊपर दिव्यता की अनुग्रह और प्रेम ऊपर से नीचे तक गिर रही है, ऐसा महसूस करिए. Breathe in. Oh.